but I don't think they expected the hit to be that bad. Mars Needs Moms was released on March 11th.
Nature is made possible by the financial support of viewers like you. Siemens, a whole new world of ideas in electronics and electrical engineering. Siemens, precision thinking. And by Canon, quality and innovation for the way we work and live. And by the gas industry, helping provide cleaner air with clean gas energy.
This is PBS.
From the nature series, Kingdom of the Ice Bear is available in home video.
The spines on the